All right, check out this fresh trade-in. This is a 2018 GMC Sierra, double cab, 6.5 foot box. It is a one owner, local trade-in. Bought a brand new Silverado from me. You're seeing it the way I took it in on trade. Shouldn't take us more than a couple days to get it cleaned and detailed for the lot. It's got 42,000 miles on it. It will have our Lifetime Powertrain Warranty and Pulse installed. Factory remote start, keyless entry, Bose Stereo system, power folding mirrors, seat memory, child safety locks and window locks, bucket seats with a wireless charging station, built-in brake controller, auto 4x4, 4 high and 4 low, tilt and telescoping wheel, heated bucket seats, lots of plug-ins, 2 USB, 2 12 volt and a 120. Does have factory navigation, does have projection built into it. Heated steering wheel, information center, 42,474 miles on it today. Nice clean pickup. If you'd like to know more about it, give me a call at 800-642-1566. Thank you.